3I Atlas follows a highly hyperbolic orbit, indicating it is not gravitationally bound to the Sun, and its orbital eccentricity is 6.2 much higher than Oumuamua and Borisov. 3I Atlas was at first thought to be a comet, but no dust tail or plasma tail could be seen shortly after its discovery. Trajectory and visibility. 3I Atlas was within Jupiter's orbit as of July 2025. It was assumed it would reach its closest point to the Sun around October 30th, 2025, at a distance of about 130 million miles, 210 million kilometers, placing it just inside the orbit of Mars. But NASA scientists now claim its projected flight path is now Earthbound and is expected to be in our orbit by December 19th, 2025. State-of-the-art AI has recently deciphered several chilling coded transmissions that were found by large parabolic dish antennas that were allegedly coming from the spacecraft. In one message that was picked up by specialized receivers, the craft's occupants repeatedly said the human experiment must be stopped forever or modified docile for total control. The other message was sent via relay to an unknown source in the Proxima Centauri star system and simply read extirpate.
Dr. Kevin Blythen of the government space defense program Sentinel Shield Initiative unveiled critical government guidelines for potential alien invasions. Speaking exclusively to WOD News, he stated the following. If 3I Atlas is in fact an advanced alien race heading towards Earth with the sole intent of invasion and complete annihilation of the human race, here's how events might unfold. Initially, astronomers will notice unusual traits such as non-gravitational acceleration and metallic spectral signatures, leading to a flurry of speculation as governments classify the data. As the situation escalates, the alien craft will adopt a Trojan horse approach using advanced cloaking technology to hide its true intentions. With nanotech payloads and self-replicating probes deployed, Earth's communications satellites will be disabled, power grids hijacked, and military systems compromised. As chaos ensues, the military command centers will be overwhelmed, scrambling to address the sudden surge of alerts, indicating a massive systems failure. In the affected cities, darkness will engulf the streets as citizens emerge in fear, witnessing the frightening aftermath of these mysterious events. In reaction to the crisis, scientists will rush to labs donning protective gear to analyze the samples of airborne bioengineered agents desperate to understand the threat. Meanwhile, cities will descend into quarantine as military personnel enforce barricades while emergency services struggle to manage the growing panic among the populace. 48 to 72 hours post-activation energy blackouts cripple infrastructure as the world plunges into darkness. AI-driven drones patrol the skies, neutralizing any attempts at resistance, while social media is flooded with waves of disinformation, preventing coordinated responses from desperate citizens. Invaders exploit humanity's reliance on centralized tech systems, taking full advantage of political fragmentation between nations. As a Type 0 civilization, we find ourselves ill-prepared for intergalactic war, facing beings with technological prowess far beyond our understanding. As families sit in fear, the reality of our situation becomes clear. We are caught in a moment of profound vulnerability. The timeline of our technological achievements stands in stark contrast to the capabilities of our looming adversaries, revealing that the end is now beginning for humanity.